Okay, so here is my trading account with Interactive Brokers, and I am now up $284,104. Just started with 40,000, or a little over 40,000, about 3 months ago. I think it's been roughly that period of time. Actually, maybe it's been like 4 months, and I took a month off. So about 3 months worth of trading, and I've already turned 40 into 284,000. And let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. Now this is the chart for oil. We traded 4 different instruments inside the trading room. This is the chart for oil on November 19th. And here is what we did. Actually, I don't have, let me switch over to a different one. Let's see, this is December. We need to go to January. Okay, so here is the new contract. I switched over halfway into the room. Actually, well, maybe not halfway, but somebody told me in the room that should switch over, so I did to the most recent contract, or to the January contract. And so I didn't put the first parameter in, but here is the first trade that we took, and this one is good all the way down. Here's the second trade, good all the way down. Third trade, all the way down. All these trades are all good, all shorts. And then this one just goes down a little bit. The oil dies at the end of the day. The real money is here, and we took that right there. And then let's go to the YM. Okay, so on the YM, we nailed this trade coming all the way down. I nailed it, no problem, inside the room. First signal, outside of me nailing it. The first signal, good all the way down. Second signal, short, good all the way down. Third signal, short, good down to the bottom. The next signal, good all the way up. This one, there's no signal. This one, there's no signal. And I kept this out of all of these signals inside the room, knowing that it would most likely go sideways. And I got us into this one. Notice the signal is red. I got us into this one, good all the way down. I got us into this one, good all the way up on the YM. And how about the ES? We also traded the ES. Okay, so here's the first signal on the ES. It's a short, it's good all the way down. Second signal, short, good all the way down. Third signal, short, good down to the bottom. The next signal, notice it's in red, it's good all the way up. And then I kept this out of all of these signals, even though some of them were good. This one there's no signal. This one it's a long signal, goes up. This one's a long signal, goes up. This one's a long signal, goes up to the top. I kept this out of all of those inside the room though, and I got us into this one. And this one's good all the way down. Okay, and then the last one, we traded UGAZ. It wasn't very good, but let's take a look at it anyway. Okay, here is UGAZ. This is yesterday, by the way. Last signal was good coming down. Okay, first signal, good, going all the way up. Second signal, there's no signal. Third one is a short, it's good down just for a little bit. Next one is in red, notice. It's good all the way up. Next one is also a long, it's good to the top. Next one is a short, good all the way down. Next one is a short, good all the way down. Next one, notice it's in red, is a short, good all the way down. Next one is a short, good all the way down. Next one is a no signal. It just goes sideways the rest of the day to the close. So as you can see, my trading room is working incredibly well, just as my system works incredibly well, and I was able to take an account from 40,000 up to 284,000 in a relatively short period of time. I'll make it to $1 million in 6 months. Well, depending upon the market, depending upon how much I actually am able to trade, because right now it's hard for me to trade and run the room at the same time because I have to figure out all of these lines and everything and watch 4 different instruments at one time, which is not easy to do. But just to let you know, my system works on everything. Apple, Uber, it works on literally everything. Under Armour, we could put in AMD, we nailed AMD the other day. AMD, my system nails it 100%. And Uber, my system nails it 100%. Of course, it went sideways a lot of the day, and that's tough trading right there. But okay, this one, it just got through trading. Actually, it still is trading, as you can see. It's not so great today, okay? But yesterday, beautiful, just absolutely beautiful. And my system nails it every single day, day in and day out, on everything. The DAX, the Hang Seng, the YM, the ES, everything, anything at all. Forex, everything, bonds, you name it. Anything in the world, my system 100% nails it every day. I mean, it is just absolutely mind-boggling, incredible was what it is. It's nothing short of the most incredible thing you have ever seen in this world to make money with. Simple as that. I don't know how else to explain it. Let's go back to the previous day. Again, oh, this is UGAZ. Notice it's in red, goes all the way down. Notice it's in red, goes all the way down. The other signals, long signal, good. Long signal up to the top, long signal up to the top, rolls over, goes all the way down. Another short signal. This one's a long signal, doesn't go anywhere. This one's a short signal, goes all the way down. This one also, I'm not sure if that's a short or not. I can't tell looking at it so zoomed out, but even if it isn't, it doesn't matter. This one is the one that we took, and this is the one that you want to take, and then this one here as well. My point is my system just works on everything there is, day after day after day. This is on 11/18 right here. It just works day after day after day on everything there is. And look how successful I am at trading. And yet, you would think from appearances that I'm not successful, that my website isn't successful, that what people are saying makes it sound like this isn't real. That is why I'm doing this video, so that you can see for yourself it is real. It's all 100% real. And here's my question. Who are these people who don't want other people to know this? Why are they trying to stop me? Why? Why do they not want people to know this information? Because they don't want people to make money? They want people to be poor? I mean, what is going on? That's what I want to know. That's why I am now showing you and opening up to you so that you can see for yourself with your own two eyes that what I am saying is real. Otherwise, there's this agenda, like a conspiracy out there, that people are trying to block it, trying to hide it, trying to mock it and ridicule it. Why are they doing this to other people? When I first came out with this system, I thought it would be the most popular system in the world, that everybody all over the world, every trader there is, every financial analyst, that Wall Street Journal, CNBC, you name it, Bloomberg, everybody would be all over it talking about it. Why are they not talking about it? Well, guess what? I cannot control what they are doing or what they are not doing. I can't control that, unfortunately. But what I can do is I can make YouTube videos like this one and record the screen and show you what is going on, show you the reality of the situation, so that at least I can reach some people. May not be able to reach everybody, but at least I can reach some people. My trading system is the most popular, profitable, successful trading system ever devised in the history of trading. Don't let anybody fool you otherwise, because there's a lot of people who apparently want to do that. And then there's so many scammers out there. It is mind-boggling. It's just like one scammer after another. And these people are the most popular there is all the scammers. All the scammers are the most popular people there are. And then people like me who are actually real traders, who have a real system that really works, they're like nobody. You don't see them. You don't find them. You don't hear about them. And then people mock them and ridicule them and slander them. People don't like making money? I don't understand. Well, I'm just trying to tell you, there's an agenda against you. They don't want you to know. I'm trying to open your eyes so that you can see the truth for yourself. What proof do they have to offer? None. Come into my trading room, purchase my video courses, find out for yourself, open up your eyes, take the biggest opportunity to make money in world history that I know of anyway. I mean make money on a consistent daily basis for a living. I don't mean like strike it rich because you bought Bitcoin at $3 and you held it up to 20,000. I'm not talking about something like that. That was obviously a tremendous opportunity to make money. But I'm just talking about like on a daily basis for your own business, have something that you can do, that you can rely on every day, that you can trade the markets and that you can make money. I'm talking about that, something practical. Not something that, is only going to happen, once in a lifetime type of thing. Like investing into Bitcoin and being lucky enough to hold it up to 20,000 and getting rid of it. And some people did. The guy from Apple did. The guy who started Apple. Okay, so now that you've seen my account at Interactive Brokers, now I'm going to show you the reality over at my PayPal. I'm going to show you two of them. And I'm going to show you what's really going on. Okay, I am logged in to my PayPal account here. And what I've done is I have all of these names that are here in the middle. I have, or I will, after I'm done recording this, I'm going to blur out all of these names so that I can protect the privacy of my clients. But as you can see, I currently have $19,862 in my PayPal account, and you can see the sales. November 18th, 500, November 14th, 500, November 10th, 500, 500, 500, November 9th, okay, that was a payment to HostGator. 500, 500, 500, 1,000, 500. These are all sales. We can go show more. And 500, 500, 500, 500, that was a payment that I made. And that was a payment. And let's see, 500, 500, 500, 500. And this is just going back to October 30th, October 31st, November 3rd. So you're seeing November here, but if we go back a little bit, let's go ahead and go back. Okay, how about we do for the last 90 days? Okay. All right, we'll go back to like okay, we'll just go back to September. Okay, so This was just me sending money over to another account, 266,000 baht, which is like close to 9,000, and 147,000 baht. I am looking for, okay, here go, 500, 500, 500, and over here 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, and 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 1,000, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500. See, just what I'm trying to show you is that I am getting all kinds of sales for my system, and yet it appears that I'm not popular. So I'm just trying to open up your eyes that there's like this wool being pulled over your eyes to make it look like I'm not popular, that my website isn't popular. But I'm just trying to show you it is popular. It is the most popular. Now let me go show you my another account that I have, and I'm going to show you the subscribers to my trading room. Let's go there now. Okay, so now I am logged in to another PayPal account, and this account is showing that I have 363,662 baht in there, which is equivalent to 8,000 US dollars. Right? Let's scroll down a little bit, and we can start to see the subscribers. Let's go ahead and see more activity. Okay, now we can just count them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. This one's not because it's been refunded. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So there is 29, and this was a payment that I made to my bank, 600,000 baht. Another payment I made to my bank, 70,000 baht, and another payment I made to my bank, 500,000 baht, and another one for 30,000 or 29,000. So as you can see, what I'm trying to show you is that I now have, this says 29, but according to my records I have 28. I'm not sure exactly what the discrepancy is, or if I counted wrong perhaps. But anyway, I have 28, 29 subscribers right now to my new trading room. And you see, but it looks like on the internet that I'm not popular, but yet I am popular. It just doesn't look like it because somebody is trying to block it. I mean, it's just mind-boggling to me. I should be the most popular trading person, not just on the internet, but in history, in world history. I mean, I don't mean to toot my own horn like that, but it's true. My system is the most accurate and powerful trading system in the world by 1,000 times. Why is it not being out there? Why is not every trading forum there is on my side knowing and even teaching or at least using my system? I don't understand. It's as if the world has been turned upside down. And everything that is not true is true. And everything that is true is not true. Well, again, I am trying to wave the flag here, trying to blow the whistle and tell you what you're saying is all real. What I am saying is true. To all traders out there in the world, jump on the bandwagon. Learn my system. Come into my trading room. And start doing nothing but making money. That's what I suggest. Just start doing nothing but making money. Because, when you're able to turn 40,000 into 284,000 in 3 months, that's good money. It's really good money to be able to do something like that, and only using my system can anybody do something like that. I have been trading for 20 years. I have known and seen the best traders there are. And I'll tell you something. Do you know what the best traders, do you know what they do with respect to teaching other people? They don't. They don't teach anybody. As far as I know, I'm the only real trader who does. As far as I know. Actually, I take that back. There is a guy out there that he's a real trader, and he is teaching people. And he's a pretty good trader, even though he doesn't know my system. If he knew my system, he would be far better trader than what he is. He takes way too many losses, and he doesn't need to take them if only he knew my system. But for some reason, people don't want to listen to me. The only people who listen to me are the people who have purchased, and then their eyes are opened, and now they listen to me. And yeah, I've got a lot of those people. But the greater world out there, the bigger world, they don't listen. They just don't want to listen. Either A, they don't believe me. There's just too many scammers out there. They don't know who to believe. That's why I'm opening up to show you. It's not a scam. It's not a joke. This is as real gets. Oh, and by the way, I got an email from a guy about UGAZ. He says, UGAZ is not shortable. You can't short UGAZ. You must be using a demo account. Well, just in case you're watching, this is UGAZ. It's shortable, okay? There are 1.27 million shares available to short of UGAZ. Okay, so I don't know where you're getting your information from, but it is wrong. Now, what's wrong with this thing? Thing's locking up on me. Okay, there we go. UGAZ, it is shortable. Okay? I don't know where people get their information from. Let me show you another email I just got from a guy. Okay, here is an email that I got from a guy just the other day. It goes by Stuart. His email address is stucco@cox.net, STUCO, right? And he emails me. I sent an email out to all my subscribers. He subscribes to my email list, okay? And then he says that he unsubscribed, okay? It's not true. When you unsubscribe from my email list, it is automatically taken out. I don't even have any control over it whatsoever. If I send you an email and you unsubscribe from my email, there is no way that I can email you again using that system. It's impossible. Well, at least that I know of. It's supposed to be impossible because they take care of that for you. Somebody unsubscribes, it unsubscribes from all of your email lists, everything. You cannot email that person again because that person says, I don't want to receive your emails. My point is this: he's a liar. He does this to me every time. He keeps saying the same thing over and over again. And notice how he says, really getting desperate, David, using old email lists that have requested to be unsubscribed many times. Lie. It's just a lie. Now go ahead and send me one of your nasty, over-the-top emails as you usually do. Again, another lie. When you become desperate and unhinged. I mean, I just tell you something right now. The guy doesn't really believe that. He doesn't really believe that I'm desperate and unhinged. He just says that to me over and over again every time I send an email out. He just wants to say the same thing over and over and over and over and over again, never ending, nonstop. And he won't stop. He won't get off my email list. He won't stop saying that to me. Every single solitary time, without exception. I mean, it's like having psychopaths follow you around in everything you do. For instance, this video that I just made, he will just sit there and flat out say, it's a scam, it's not real, it's been photo edited, it's been, photoshopped, whatever you want to call it. He'll just say whatever he needs to say, whatever he can say to try and make it look not real. Why would somebody want to do that? I don't understand. Wouldn't this person want to make money? I mean, doesn't he care about money? Is he so rich that he has all the money in the world, he doesn't need to make any more? Or is he really just a psychopath? I mean, I really don't know, but I'll tell you, he acts like a psychopath. And there are so many of these people. It is mind-boggling. If you ever run a business like I am running, you will see it for yourself. That there's so many psychopaths out there. It's incredible. You wouldn't know it just walking around other people because you don't know what they think in their minds. But when they're able to hide behind the internet and send you emails, they will tell you what they are thinking. And they are psychopaths. It's just that simple. Anyway, now you are seeing for yourself what is really going on. Why is this thing doing this to me? Let's switch to another one. Okay. That's okay, I'm having some kind of problem with this thing. I don't know what it is. Let's switch back to UGAZ again. Yeah. Okay, there it goes. Anyway, I don't have it selected onto this monitor right here. I should, okay? So I could go on here and I think that's probably group 6. Now let's see if it switches. It should switch if it's the right. No, it still isn't. Okay, let's change the group. Must be 5. Let's switch it again to YM. Okay, now it switches. Okay, so I just had to get them so they're on the same group number, and it'll switch over. So anyway, as you can see for yourself, what I'm saying is real, and this is the greatest trading system in the world by many times over. And I am having a hard time trying to get anybody to come in and back this system up. Because you know what happens? You see all the people I showed you that buy, right, on my PayPal? Guess what they want to do? Not because they're being mean or anything like that, but they don't want you to know either. Do you know why? Because they're afraid that if you know and you come in and take advantage of this also, that it's not going to work anymore. And they don't want that. And I don't blame them at all. But I'm just trying to open up your eyes to what's really going on, the real truth. They don't want you to know either. Not because they don't want you to make money and they want to be mean to you. is because they're trying to protect their own interests. They just simply want it to keep working. I have another interest where I want to wake up more and more people. And the reason why is because this is all being controlled. There is no buying and selling. If there was buying and selling, then their fear would be justified, because if enough people do it, it wouldn't work anymore. But since this is all being controlled in advance, there's nothing to worry about. It doesn't matter if 100 people do it, 1,000 people do it, 5,000 people do it. It doesn't matter. It's going to continue to work. It's that simple. Anyway, if you are a trader, or if you want to learn how to be a trader, I highly suggest you jump on the bandwagon and get my system of trading, and or come into my trading room and start making some serious money for yourself. I will be back with more videos. Happy trading.